Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is Sheva from Berry Mix Journals over at Instagram and also here in YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video. Today I have a flip through of my latest journal. So this is Garden Journal number 1. I have a number 2 coming up soon, but number 1 is yellow. The theme for this journal is yellow and everything garden, journal, botanical related. In short, my usuals. So there's going to be lots of florals here. This journal has a hard cover, so it's made from a vintage book. And it's also my design team project for ChapterOnePapers. I use their Enchanted Garden kit. And this butterfly note card is from their kit. So that's what I mostly used for this journal. As usual, this journal has a combination of digital kits, vintage paper, scrapbook paper, book pages, and all of those goodies that we usually include in our journals. There's also lots of fabric here, like the quilted butterfly piece that I just showed you earlier. There's also doilies, lace that's included in here as well. This journal is already reserved. As I said, I'm working on Garden Journal number 2. That one will be more green themed, so watch out for that one. But yeah, I'll let you enjoy the flip through. I'll put on some music. If you would like to contact me, please reach out using my Instagram handle. I reply mostly in there. I'm there all the time. I also post daily in my Instagram. I post pictures of the journals that I'm working on. So a lot of photos of this journal is also in there. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. Enjoy!